Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Bostonia local and long-distance movers near me. If you want to hire a dependable and cheap Bostonia moving company, you need the proper solution. With 3 Movers helping you move, your local or long-distance move becomes much easier. We provide moving solutions for residential and commercial clients. Our crew works hard so you don't have to. We provide the right experienced long-distance moving services to help make your move so much easier. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the country. Relocating isn't simple, however. Using the right moving services can definitely make it a lot easier. Along with the general long distance moving solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time and transparent pricing. Working with a local California moving company might seem unnecessary initially. A deeper look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company can help you realize why it's a small option. Any decent moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Eliminating the heavy lifting also provides one more advantage you get from using the right local movers. Our moving crew makes it simple to reach your new location without having nearly as much concern. You do not need to worry about devoting multiple days managing your move when you choose 3 Movers to help. Even though your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than one day. If you're trying to hire a reliable moving company in Bostonia, contact our team right now. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bostonia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.